guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Long time no see, right? But I'm here, guys. Today I thought I will do these kind of videos. Like, I think I've done this last year and it was such an amazing response I've received from you guys. I thought, why not, let's do it. This time I don't have much things to talk about, but still I have found a couple of bits which I really liked. So I thought, let me just share with you. So mainly I'm focusing on skincare this time, and there's one makeup item product. So yeah, for that, stay tuned. So for my, let me just take first thing out of my way. So this is the makeup item. So when I saw this, I really got like, wow, this is so cute. I really want it, and because I've never tried something from this range. So this is the Fenty Beauty Stunner lip paint. There's two minis, as you can see. One is like a red color, other one is like a pinky magenta shade, and this one is called Unmatched, this one is called Underrated. There are two things. I never tried anything from like lip product from Fenty, so I thought, this is a good time. It's like a fall holiday season, you know. You can get these kind of minis to try and then see if you like it. This is the first thing. Then for the skincare, this time I thought, guys, we are staying at home, right? We are just ignoring ourselves. We need to, and we have to. I think we have to take care of ourselves. So first thing is this one from the brand called Honora Henriksen. I love the CC cream. I have used the under eye CC cream, and I think that is the best. That is the best. That is a little bit up in the price, around 35 or 37 pound. But I got this one. This is the C Boost Best Selfie Brightening Moisturizer Eye Cream Set. So you will get eye cream set and the moisturizer for a very good price. I'm gonna list all the price on the screen because I literally forgot how much I paid, because I just bought this like in, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago. So I literally forgot, but I'm gonna put it here somewhere on the screen. This is the one, and I love, you can see it's so beautiful. So this is the one you can get. Other one is also from Honora Henriksen. Guys, Honora Henriksen has really, you know, nailed it in terms of their skincare. I love their products. So because my skin is combination, I do get oily, you know, sometimes nose, sometimes like forehead, sometimes hair. Very it's not like very rarely I get anything around, just hair. So I think it's like a combination skin. Whenever I use these products on my T-zones, guys, it really helped my skin. And this is the time when I saw some of the best product in one package in a gift box. I was like, this is it. I have to get this. So this is the Honora Henriksen Balance It All. This is the cleanser, this is the toner, and this is the moisturizer. Yes, and it contains green fusion complex, neem seed oil, rose hip fruit extract, AHAs. Even oily skin needs hydration. Yes, guys, oily skin also need hydration. I don't know why, for some reason people think that if you have oily skin you don't need anything. No, because you're not applying moisturizer, your skin is producing more oil to moisturize your skin, and hence you are getting so much oil. No, don't go into that. So you need something, guys. You need this. This is, and it was just under, I think, 35-36 pounds, and the whole price is definitely worth more than that. I think if you buy this separate, I think it's gonna be like 100 pounds. So that is the one thing I'm really excited for. So last but not the least, I know it's like a small video. I only have 4. I can't buy everything, but I'm only looking for something that I personally like. So many sets are out of stock, and those are available. I don't think so. I really recommend you guys to spend that much money on it. So I just picked the best of the best, and especially as I mentioned, I'm more focusing on the skincare than makeup this time. Other one is from this is the this is the only thing I picked up from Boots. So this is the Origins Skincare Superstars, guys. When I saw this product, I really gone crazy after it. I was like, because I have only not tried one thing out of it. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have tried all of these 5 except this one. So this is the, what is it? This is the Skincare Superstar 6-step for healthy looking radiant skin, suitable for all skin types. Yes, this is suitable for all skin types, guys. This is the exclusive to the Boots. You only get this in Boots. This is not ad. I'm not sponsored anything. I'm just telling you guys, as it also says, new and exclusive to Boots. That's what I'm saying. The worth is 82.50 pound, but I got it for 35 pounds. Super Size Charcoal Mask. This is like takes everything just like a vacuum out of your skin. If you have a like, you know, sebum or you have acne, amazing. And then you will get this boosting cream. It's just like, you know, I don't know how can I explain. If I give you that example, like let's say if you place a saucepan on your stove and you don't put anything and it gets so dry, right? And when you add water in it, the water splashes, you know. I hope you're getting what I'm trying to say. Whenever I try this cream on my skin, it feels the same. It feels like I have a dry, you know, skin, and when I put this on, my skin feels plumped, feels shiny. I mean, I personally feel so good about it. That is the best. And then, oh, super spot. Whenever I have a spot, I just tried it, guys. What a magical, I think, invention. What a magical discovery I've ever found, I think. Amazing. If you're somebody who's looking for the acne spots or anything like that, just put it overnight. In the morning it's going to dry down, and 2 or 3 days maximum it's going to disappear. So if you are somebody looking for something, go and grab this. And then this is the scrub cleanser. Literally after like your scrub, if you apply this cream, these two combos are like, you know, baby skin. That is how you're gonna feel about it. And then this is the ginseng eye cream. Beautiful, unreal. My skin, I mean, I felt very obvious difference when I was using this. But I never tried this one. This is the Drink Up Intensive Hydrating Mask. I think I need to try this one. So this is a good chance, you know, to buy whole this box, and you get 6 items. Also, you will get a mini pouch in this. I think, let me show you. Let me open and show you. So you will get a pouch like this. This is the biodegradable pouch. Okay, and you can use for so many other reasons. And then you will get this super size, as I mentioned this to you, super sized charcoal mask, full size original ginseng energy boosting eye cream. This is the one. Then you will get scrubbing self scrub cleanser, this one. Then you get, this is the magic thing I was telling you about, super spot remover, this one. Wow, beautiful. Okay, this is a small mini sample size. This is the eye cream, just for give you a go, because I think it's very expensive, but I'm really glad they have added this. So this is the one, very, very cute. And then this is the mask. This is also, I think this is a travel size or a sample. Drunk Up Intensive Overnight Mask, this one. So you will get 6 items and this pouch, I mean in total 7 items. The price of 35. So if you do the maths, hardly you'll find like 1 item for £5, right? This is how you can do it. So for Origins, that is not the price, guys. That is unreal. I'm so shocked how they have done this. That is why I really, really love this holiday season. During this time, you will get some amazing finds like beauty sets, skincare sets, makeup sets. I'm obsessed with this. So I'm so excited to try this one. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see these holiday gift sets. But especially with those who have birthdays these months, you're gonna be like so full with these amazing items. So guys, so yeah, that is it for my video. I know it's a quick one, but I hope you like this video. I hope you like these recommendations. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you wanna watch next, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.